Hey guys, welcome back to Liza Plays, and today I'm going to be showing you how to finish up our vault, our redstone vault. So last week we learned how to do this, how to make the doors open and close. So this is I'm going to show you guys how to add an alarm system. So before I started this video, I already wired all the lights so that if I were to place redstone torch here, it would turn on. But I'm going to show you how to make them flash along with an alarm system. So we're going to start by taking the redstone here, and we're going to extend this by 1. Then we're going to place a block in front of it, and we're going to put a redstone torch on the back, and that reverses the charge once again. Now we're going to put a redstone dust on either side and two powered rails on either side of that. Next we're going to put a detector rail right in the middle, and we're going to put a block on either end of that. Now we're going to go get a note block from in here, and we're going to place the note block right there, and we're going to place the minecart down there so that when we open the doors, which we're going to go do right now, it will start up the alarm system, which is going to make it go off. So it goes off at different octaves. Now if you wanted to, and you don't have to, you could put another block there, and then it'll be a different sound because there'll be 2 going. But we're not going to do that today because we're going to be adding the lights, the flashing lights as well. So we're going to start by bringing this up by 1. Then we're going to bring this up here. And we're just going to keep bringing it up all the way to the top so that we can wire the lights through. Okay, so this is how we do it. We go down here and we connect those. Then we come up here. Now I'm going to add a redstone repeater because it's going to take quite a bit. Now we're going to take a quartz block here, and we're going to reverse the redstone charge and turn the lights on. Now that is not going to work though if we do it there. There. That will work though. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing apparently. There. Do this. Then we reverse the redstone charge with the torch. There we go. And then the lights will stay on until we turn this on. And it will turn off and on the lights blinking. See? The reason why this does this is because the detector rail will turn on any nearby redstone when a minecart is rolled over it. It's kind of like a button. And then this redstone torch reverses the charge so that when it's off, these turn on, so that the lights are always on. And when we turn it off, everything stops and the lights are on. So now let's place down the floor and just make sure that everything's still gonna work. You want to be sure to put all of your redstone a whole block below, because you cannot have your redstone cutting off. You cannot have your floor cutting off any redstone. So this right here, that can't work because it'll cut off the redstone. So you have to go all the way over here, But that's okay because we're going to be making a second wall here to cover the redstone. So it's not going to be that big of a deal. Let's go all the way to the other. There. Now when we get to the note block, you can't have blocks directly above the note block. So what we're going to do is we're going to place a trapdoor right above that, right above the block above that. So we're going to go like this. We're going to do that. That way that the alarm can still go off, but you're not falling into a hole the whole time. Alright. So now we're going to place down a interrupting circuit with this one, I believe, is where I need to put it. Right there. With a lever. So we're gonna go in. there, and we don't need that anymore, so we're going to use this to interrupt it, which I think that's the right place. I'm not sure, so we're going to check that out and see. So let's turn on everything. Now we're going to go back and check and see if that is in the right place. And it's not. Alright, so you're just going to put it right there so that it affects the redstone. And this only closes it off enough so nobody can get in. But that's about all it'll do. And unless you put one up here too. Yeah, up here, like on this side. Not there. I'm not sure where we have to put that. Maybe here. Oh, I'm not sure. I think it has to be all the way up here on the top, connecting to the top block. Which that would have to delete that and everything else, and it'd be kind of difficult. Okay, I'd have to delete that and then go back. But I'm not gonna do that. So now that I just disconnected all of the lights, I'm gonna go fix that, and then that will be the end of the video. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. We've closed most of it up. We can close this up. Well, I will close this up, but you guys can close that up when you're not watching the video. It's not difficult. Just make sure that you're not cutting off any redstone. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything that you guys have trouble with, just let me know, and I will be sure to make a video on that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.